Hey, Joel!
Hey, Sven.
Hey, look, I love your workbench, but it's a bit high.
It's perfect. So when we custom built this workbench, at my height, I didn't want to have to lean over too far for projects. And so I thought if it was at this height, it would be perfect.
I mean, it's perfect for you, but is there a way I can see things from your perspective?
Do you want a boost? I can give you a...
Wait, can we bring technology to bear on this problem?
Technology? I have an idea.
Brain blast!
Oh, jeez.
Holy moly. That is one big printer. What printer is this?
This is the T500 from Comgrow, and I actually got it out on a live stream. It's so big it feels like a forced perspective. Here's why I think this is a fantastic machine for what we need, because on the live stream, once we got it going, I promised everybody I was gonna print a stool. I need a step stool. Going to printables, we're gonna get a stool. I think a stool would be great. It didn't finish on the live stream and it didn't finish afterwards. I had sliced it wrong. And so here's my thinking, Sven. If we take this machine and use some filament ends to print a stool, I think you might be able to see things from my perspective.
All the way up there.
All the way up there. What do you think? Is that a good idea?
Let's do it.
Let's print a really big stool.
The stool is done.
It's done! The stool is done! Look
We
at
have a
that!
stool!
I can't believe how well this stooled. So typically, when you're printing something with a bunch of filament ends, you hope for a smooth stool. Unfortunately though, yeah, we've got ourselves a hairy stool. So the diet of this machine needs to change, or the configuration of the print parameters needs to change. But really, when we're talking about a functional print, a hairy stool isn't anything to worry about. You don't need to go see your doctor.
That looks like it's damaged the bed as well.
The stool destroyed the bed. And I actually reached out to Comgrow about this. They said that for people who purchased this machine, the first batch, they had a problem with the sticker on this. So, Sven, I'll hand that to you. People can reach out to Comgrow that had first batch T500s and get themselves a brand new build plate. Massive build plate, which is great because we had to print ourselves a massive stool. I kind of think the only way to really see if this is good is to see if it can stool.
Let's see if it stools.
We are gonna see if this stools in 3, 2, 1.
I can see forever.
Can you see where the earth curves?
It's amazing up here.
Look at this.
What a life you live.
The air is a little thinner. You have to kind of get used to it.
Yeah. I can acclimatize.
Wow, look at the blue.
What's that, Joel?
Oh, what is that? Oh, you know what? When I got this machine out on the live stream, something did happen, and I think I saw it go up. Maybe that's it. Let's find out.
You don't need the stool to reach up there, though.
I need the stool.
All right, come on. Up we come.
This is awkward in the best way.
It's been so long.
Okay. It's nice having you at this height.
I can get used to this.
Sealed with wax. There is a note on the inside. Do you want to read
Hi,
it?
Joel.
Hey, you are going to read
The
it.
key is a thing.
A thing.
Also, your fiery passion. High five, Comgrow. But that's all there is.
Well,
That's all there is.
okay. Now, typically when someone is sending something with encoded messages, they might use disappearing ink.
Do not ask me where I got the invisible ink.
And I do see something here.
It says fiery passion. Could that be?
Wait, I have a heat gun.
Of course you have a heat gun.
Well, shoot, if Comgrow included a note for us, we might have to print something. Okay, hold on. Ready?
Of course it's on a high setting.
Okay. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Amazing.
Can you see that? Can you see that? The numbers came through. Okay. 6159228. So I'm thinking thing, in quotes, thingiverse, thing number 6159228. Why don't we go print that out?
What could it be?
I don't know. Well, I have an idea. when I was taking the Comgrow boxes to the trash, I actually found this treasure chest in the boxes. Yeah, it's hand painted.
What's inside it?
I don't know.
Can you open it? It's locked.
No, it requires a key.
The key is a thing.
I think the key is a thing. So why don't we print Thingiverse thing number 6159228 and see if it fits. Yoink. 15 minutes later on the Bamboo A1 Mini, and we have ourselves a key. And this is thing 6159228.
Do we need to heat that up?
Oh yeah, here, heat it up again, just to make sure. Here we go. 6159228. It's amazing how well that works. So we have a key, we have ourselves a hand-painted treasure chest, and no joke, 100% the truth, I have not opened this up yet.
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no.
Sven, should I call you Sven or Clockspring?
You can call me whatever you like.
All right.
I feel like we're friends.
Oh, look at wait, just love yours. So for this, I give you the honor. Would you like to open up the chest?
I would.
All right.
I hope it opens this way. Is that unlocked?
Oh, look at that! Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so inside, these are what? Gold doubloons, right? Oh, is it real?
It's not
Is it
real
real?
gold. It's
Okay,
not
and
real
inside, I just want to make sure there's. Oh, I see. Okay, so it is an empty chest. It is an empty chest with some packing material, a bunch of gold. So this is a code. Comgrow reached out and told me that they had 40 free spools of filament available. Anybody that uses this code can get one of those spools. So the first 40 of you that watch this video, get to this point and click the link in the description, put in this code, you get a free spool of filament.
Do it now. Do it.
Well, they don't know the code yet. They can't do it now. Do you want to read the code or me?
You read the code.
Okay. The code is go big or go home. Go big or go home. All one word. All
no
lowercase.
capitals, yeah.
No, I'll go big or go home. So that is the code for free filament. There's 40 available. The first 40 of you that do this get to have it. Sven, this was amazing.
Now go now. Do it.
Yeah, do it now. Do it now. This was amazing. Thanks
This
for
has been a
joining me.
pleasure. Thank you.
I love looking up to you like this.
I feel special.
Well, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for cause you believe in, and model all the things.
Can I give you a high five?
Yes, as always. High five.
Yes, Phil.
Back to the filament. Go.